Gracious and loving God, we gather today in joy and gratitude, celebrating the gifts you have placed in each heart and hand. Thank you for the wisdom, creativity, and courage of our elders, for the stories they carry, the songs they sing, the laughter they share, and the beauty they bring. Bless this gathering with warmth and encouragement. Let each performer feel uplifted, seen, and cherished. May their talent shine not only on the stage, but in the lives they touch each day. We ask for strength, clarity, peace for all present. Let this be a space of celebration, connection, and delight. And may we leave here inspired by the richness of age, the dignity of experience, and the joy of expression.